our kitty can draw friend. Whoa, is it a plane? Is it a helicopter? No, it's tails. Spinning into action. Let's start drawing him. First, draw a wavy line. Then have an oval shape on one side and a similar one on the other side. Draw a small oval shape inside for the iris and the smaller one inside for the pupil. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Color the pupils, leaving white spots to show light reflection. Draw zigzag lines coming down from each side of the wavy line. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then connect them at the bottom with a curved line. Inside this part, draw a triangular shape for the nose and color it, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Then draw a curved line for the smiley mouth. Draw a diagonal line coming up from each side for the sides of the face. Draw an upside down letter V on the left side for the ear. Draw a smaller upside down letter V inside. Then close it at the bottom with a curved line. Then draw two curved lines connected to each other with a pointy end for the hair strand. Draw a similar one under it and finally a smaller one at the bottom. Draw the second ear partially hidden behind the bangs. Draw half a circle under the mouth and nose part for the body. Draw two diagonal lines coming down from each side of the body. Draw a curved line at the end of the left arm. Then draw a diagonal line coming down from each side and close them with another curved line. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the top part of the gloves. For the hand, draw the thumb at the bottom, then the forefinger and make it longer. Make another finger partially hidden behind it, and another smaller one again partially hidden. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other hand. Draw two diagonal lines coming down from each side of the bottom of the body for the legs. Draw two half circles around each leg. Then draw a letter U attached to it for the shoe. And make a curved line on the outer side for the sole of the shoe. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other shoe. Decorate the shoes with a curved line in the front and a couple of curved lines in the middle. For the tails, draw a curved line coming out from the left arm and a similar one coming out from the side of the face, and connect them at the end with a zigzag line. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other tail. Decorate each tail with a zigzag line near the end. Now to decorate tail's body, draw a zigzag line on each side. Then connect them both at the top with another zigzag line. Now decorate the shoes with some double lines. For the shoelaces, make some horizontal and other diagonal lines. Did you just draw Detective Pikachu? No. Now you can draw Tails from Sonic 3 the movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.